This portion of our tutorials will be done through audio only, as we await approval from Schwab to use screen grabs and other imagery. Importing a block trade. So under the Schwab trading system, allocations, Schwab trade, there'll be 3 subtabs. One of those subtabs is create a block trade for those professionals who want to control the trade process. They want to import their allocation that they used in the Asset Planet Pro trading tool, and then they want to control the manner and how it's sold, the action. This will create that and allow you to interface with the Schwab system. At this point, once you have the import file that is used from the far left-hand button, import file, you'll get a validation process. You'll go through the rest. At that point, Asset Planet Pro Trading Tools has matched up and you're off in Schwab's hands.